what's going on, everyone? Monster Mike here. Halloween's only 8 months away. I did a little upgrading to the Exterminator. Check it out. Now the first thing I did were these shoes. I painted the whole shoe black to get rid of that kind of shiny, plasticky look. Of course, it still looks plasticky. That's what it is, but it looks a lot better. And then I went on the sides and did grays and browns. Both sides to give it a little character, and then obviously on the soles, and then dripped all over and splattered. I did some green, black, light, reflective paint. So then I painted my hand and put smears on the outfit, splattered that UV paint all over it, put a handprint up top, drips down from the mask, and then I went ahead and did the mask. Because this is like a zombie guy on the inside, so I want it to be like whatever's outside was leaking through his glass and through his respirator. The next thing I had to do was this blaster. I went ahead and painted this shroud gray, and then out of the muzzle there, I put that green UV paint splattered all around it. And I had this little electrical fitting laying around, painted that with that UV paint, and cut a hole in the gun, threaded it in there, and then did some drips down on the hands. I painted the hands gray so they stand out better. They used to be just black. And then I did some little detail work with gray along the blaster there. And I had this wire hanging around, so I just drilled a hole out there, drilled a hole out there, and stuck that wire in there to give it a little character. Of course, we got some nasty green UV splooge coming out of the canister here. And I had to go ahead and label it NHI. Now that blaster looks so much better, and that hence why he's got splatters all over his boots. And then the outfit looking super nasty. I only put a couple hours into this, and it looks 1,000 times better. It looks super cool out of the box, just how it is. But adding that green UV paint looks so much better. As soon as it's dark, this thing really stands out instead of just having that static prop until somebody walks by and sets it off. Now it lights up and it just looks super grotesque.
You better get out of here. Ah, there's another. Guess again.
What do you guys think? I think it looks super cool like this, having that goo all over him. I think this is how it should have been made, but super easy to do this. A little bit of nasty ooze all over him.
You better get out of
Some
here.
modifications to that blaster.
There's another.
Just is awesome. Matches that light up inside the mask. I love it. Definitely recommend anybody that has this, do this to it. Definitely one of my favorite animatronics.